Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. Many of you have asked me how I am keeping my kitchen so clean and maintained, especially the white countertop and the white cabinets. So in today's video, I'll be revealing the secret. So actually there is no secret. Like most of you, I also cook 3 times a day and my kitchen also gets dirty, but I follow some tips and tricks rigorously which helps me to maintain my kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be sharing those tips and tricks with you, and if you will be following those tips, your kitchen will be also clean and maintained. While designing your kitchen, choose the right material for cabinets and countertops. This will help you to keep your kitchen clean and shiny. Many of you have asked me which material I have used in my kitchen. So for this countertop, this is a quartz material, and for cabinets, the woods are MDF board and the laminates are high finished glossy laminates. So it is very shiny and it is very easy to maintain. So let's start the video. Quick cleaning of countertops as soon as the cooking is completed. It works wonder, and spill over from the utensils are easy to clean as they are fresh. So don't let it dry because it becomes hard to clean later. Since my hob is made up of toughened glass, so I use glass cleaner to clean it. This habit will help you to keep your kitchen clean and tidy for the next round of cooking. I never place hot pot pans directly into the countertop as it can leave burn marks on your white countertop. So always use hot pot stand. I use this hot pot stand which I bought from local shop. It's very sturdy and it has a rubber grip at the bottom, which protects my countertop from any scratches. You can also get these hot pot stand from Amazon. Link will be given in the description box. Always use trays and basket to keep oil containers and other essential things on your countertop. I avoid keeping anything directly on the countertop as it protects the countertop from scratches, and it's convenient also to keep the countertop clean. Also, it avoids oil stains and marks on the countertop. Cabinet top may acquire oil stains and dirt over the period of time. So to avoid that, cover your cabinet top with a newspaper. In my kitchen, we have lofts over the cabinet top, so we don't face these problems. But you can see the top of this tall unit. It was left uncovered, so it has acquired oil marks and dirt. So we are using liquid soap and scrub to clean the oil marks, and then we'll cover it with a newspaper. By doing so, your cabinet top will be clean always and only newspaper will get dirty. So you just need to change the newspaper by the time. I always wash my containers before refilling it. By doing this, your containers will always remain clean and you don't have to clean all the containers at one time. Once it is clean, let it dry for some time, and once it is fully dry, then only refill it. I always try to keep my cabinets clean and organized from inside because it first of all it saves times and second it looks good also. While cooking, if you have spare time, try to clean your oil containers and masala container because they are used frequently and acquire dirt and oil stains. I have these glass oil dispensers which I try to clean every day because they are kept near the hob and it gets dirty very easily. I make sure after dinner I never leave my kitchen dirty. I clean it right away after the dinner. Also, the food products and stains on the countertop can attract ants and cockroaches. And your mornings will be so beautiful if you clean your kitchen at the night. Maintain a weekly and monthly cleaning routine. I try to clean my cabinets from outside weekly. And along with that, I also clean the handles of the cabinet as it is very frequently touched and gets dirty very easily. And the overhead cabinets or loft, I try to clean them monthly because they don't get very much dirty. So this is how I maintain my white kitchen. Do share your ideas and tips which you follow to maintain your kitchen. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. And you can also follow us on social media like Facebook and Instagram. Link will be given in the description box. Till then, take care.